What's up guys, Real DSM here, and today we're going to be working on the Talon. We've got a Fuel Lab 515 adjustable fuel pressure regulator, install kit from ExtremePSI. So you can see we got the black body, and then inside comes the instructions, and then the install kit, and then in this little box here's the gauge. Here's your gauge, install, and then the body. And then if you get it with the install kit from ExtremePSI, you get this nice AM line that goes from the rail to the regulator. And then all the fittings you're going to need. So this is the adapter from the 2G rail to a -6 AN line. See, bolts in like that. And O-ring on the back. And then since the DSM has only one fuel rail, the fuel pressure regulator has 2 ports on it. So you're going to need to block off one of the ports, and that's what this is. Nice little plug. Just threads into there, or whichever side. And then here's a bracket that goes onto the back of here, like that. Lets you bolt it to the firewall. This is the firewall install kit. Here is a adapter from the regulator to -6 AN line. Here are 2 stainless fasteners for the fuel rail adapter. Going like this. And that looks really nice too. And then you have your return fitting, which goes on the bottom right here. Once you just put the existing fuel line right there, if you're not going to run -6 or -8 fuel line. And then here's a nice hose clamp for that. And then inside the install kit, on the regulator, you get 3 O-rings, because what you want to do here, you don't want to use Teflon tape or any other kind of thread sealant, because they're not pipe threads or anything like that. And putting Teflon tape will actually cause a leak. So what you just want to do is you want to use O-rings, and as you can see, the fittings ExtremePSI gives you already has an O-ring on them. They're the same size, and they match the fitting color, which is nice. And here's another bracket, and I'm not sure which bracket I'm going to be using, because this bracket seems to put it off a little bit less than this one, and clearance is an issue when you're doing this install. See, this one puts it up pretty high, so I'm not sure about that yet. And then you get a washer. Here is what actually adjusts your fuel pressure. So you put this in here, like that. I'm gonna put the washer down first, over it. And you do that, and that's what actually adjusts your fuel pressure. By tightening it, you raise your fuel pressure. By loosening it, you raise it the other way around. I don't know, we'll figure it out. That goes in right there. Now you do want to use thread sealant on this. Or no, sorry, that goes right here. that goes right here. And that's your vacuum source for it. And again, you do want to use thread sealant right there. Your gauge goes right here, and you want to use Teflon tape right here too. That goes right there. And then you get your lock nut to lock down your fuel pressure. It just goes down on that right there. As you can see, use an Allen wrench, do that, and then you get 3 install screws to bolt your bracket. And then you get 3 lock washers as well. And this is a pretty good kit, in my opinion. I like it. It seems like it's going to do the job. So right now, we're put this together so we don't have to outside. So first of all, we're going to get this. And now, you see how long the line is that they give you? My original idea was there's a fuel pressure solenoid that I can use the existing bolt off of to bolt this to. But I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. So that would mean I would put this right here. But since I'm going to be going behind the intake manifold, I'm going to be using this one over here. So I'm just going to tighten that. And then the install kit says 10 to 15 foot-pounds, which is very light. Now, AN lines are really soft metal, so you do not want to over-time them because you will run them off very easily. And now we're going to be putting the block-off plate down. Put that over here. I need a bigger wrench to seams. Well, we'll get to that. And now for the return, down here. And these should thread in very easily. Nice little bit of torque around one more time, just to make sure those O-rings seal properly. And now we're going to put the barbed fitting down. So get your Teflon tape. And how you want to run the Teflon tape is, first you don't want dirty Teflon tape. So we're going to rip that off, right there. Now how you do Teflon tape, usually if you want it to seal well, is you run it the way it threads in. Because if you try to run it the opposite way, sometimes the threads will actually pull the Teflon tape off and you get a leak. And there that is. And since this is brass, you don't want to run it down too hard because brass is also very soft metal. So once it's tight, it's pretty much tight. Teflon tape does the rest. Now I'm going to be putting the gauge on. Again, get your Teflon tape. That should be sealed. That looks really good. Now for this, right here, they say run a light coat of oil. Of course, I don't have any oil. So the remedy for this, and this is just for, air bubbles. So I actually have some thread lubricant outside. I'm gonna go grab it real quick. All right, and we're back with some oil so that we can lubricate this a little bit. So you just want to dab your finger and just run it around the threads. And there we go, that gets rid of all the air bubbles that may be present in there. And you want to run it down, see that lubricates it nice. And then you want to put your washer down. And then your lock nut, leave the lock nut loose because we are going to set our fuel pressure with that. Alright, and there we go, there's our assembled fuel pressure regulator. So now we're going to go outside and decide which bracket we want to use. With this, I decided to go with the bracket Fuel Lab supplied, and put a bolt through the center. I mount it right here where I am going to go with my original idea with the fuel pressure solenoid. And if it throws a code, I can just plug it back in, let it hang, or tuck it away, extend the wires. But when it's back here, you got a nice clear reading of the gauge. Sorry, I had to do that. And then it's easily accessible, and then that is just gonna sit right there. I'm gonna delete the AC eventually, so that'll be done. So right now what we're gonna do is, here's the old fuel pressure regulator. So I gotta take the fuel line off, and then I can bring it back this way, and then underneath the reservoir for the brake master, put it on that. And then when it comes off of this, I'm gonna put it down like that, and then it's gonna go underneath the master cylinder and then bolt up right there. Got done setting our base pressure, but we have a problem. ExtremePSI sold us a bad fitting. See that? It's leaking right out of that pin right there, which means either the flare is bad or just the entire thing is bad. But anyways, I'm gonna shut this off now so we don't start a fire. I mean, it's in there, it's done. I don't know, I'm pretty bummed out. I'm gonna email ExtremePSI, see what they can do about it, because that's not good. That sucks, really. That really sucks. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for Starion stuff. I'm bagging and tagging parts over here. If you watched some of my first videos, this is the front case. You remember this thing was black. I've been using Formula 88, and remember the valve cover is all black too. So yeah, we got these cleaned, and just going through all the parts, because I've got all the parts over here now. Cleaning what needs to be clean, and prepping this to get taken out. So stay tuned for that, and thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.